Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how I make this avocado burger. Very delicious, very good, and easy to make. Follow along with me.
Okay, first thing you want to do is you want to cut your potato out real good, and then you're going to put it in your pot like this. You're going to fill it with water, and you're going to boil this until the potato softens, and I'll show you what happens. Then we do while the potatoes are boiling, we're going to look at the avocado. And a way to know if it's ripe or not, this little knob at the top should come off real easily. Let's see if it does. And it came off real easy. It's ripe. I can't really cut it with one hand, so I'm going to have to shut the thing off and come back and show you when it's cut open. That's what it's like when it's cut open. And the easy thing to do is just to be able to take a knife, and you can sometimes just prick these right out real easy. Well, it's hard to do with one hand. There you go. Like that. Anyways, I had to shut this off and come back and get both of our avocados inside the processor. Like that, and we'll come back in a minute when the potatoes are done. So what we need is a half a cup of oats. Instant oats is perfect. A spoon of minced garlic. Half a teaspoon of paprika, smoked paprika. A spoon of onion salt. The thing we need is 1 egg. Just one. A cup of Parmesan cheese. Let's give it a little bit of texture and plus flavor. Next, you want 2 medium potatoes to put in here. Blender on. And blend this pretty good. We'll come back in a few minutes. About a half a cup of flour. Give it a good mix. Come back, a cup of cornmeal. Put it on the fryer now. We'll see how this turns out. I will come back in a few minutes. Avocado burger patty, whatever. And we're going to dress this sandwich. I need some mayonnaise, some Miracle Whip. A little more. I like a little bit more Miracle Whip. That'd be about good enough for me right there. Put this nice good avocado burger on it. I'm gonna put a cheese on top of this avocado right there. Perfect. Put the bun on there. Then we're gonna do a taste test in a minute. Get that nice good avocado burger. We're going to do a taste test on that. There we go. That's good. The product is delicious. There we go. That is delicious. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you can get all my notifications and videos. Y'all have a wonderful day. Thank y'all.